sorry. Respect the institution. This is not about Jinggoy. We're going out. No, don't leave him his right here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory, ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. Let's walk. Let's walk. You arrest him here. You can arrest him right now. You can arrest him. This is the Senate. This is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate.
Pas ng magdamag si De Lima sa Senado dahil hindi pinayagan ng Senate Sergeant at Arms ang CIDG na umakyat sa kanyang opisina. Alas 10 pa dapat isisilbi ang warrant pero napaaga ito ng alas 8 kanina. Kusang sumama ang senador.
Inosente po ako. Wala pong katotohanan, pawang kasinungalingan ang mga pinaparatang po nila sa akin na ako ay di umano ay nakinabang sa droga, di umano tumanggap sa drug money, di umano ay nag-cuddle o nag-protect ng mga drug convicts.
You will say will be used against you in the court of law in the Philippines. You have the right to an attorney, to your own choice, independent and competent. If you cannot afford one, the government will provide. You have to understand. Yes, sir.